Hi everyone, welcome back to VinVirtuosa. I'm so excited about today's recipe. It's one that feels straight out of a fine dining restaurant, but you can make it right at home. We're making a luxurious Zinfandel reduction sauce, and I'll be serving it with perfectly seared duck breast and creamy mashed potatoes. This dish is rich, flavorful, and absolutely perfect for special occasions. Whether it's a romantic dinner or a holiday gathering, or even just a cozy evening when you feel like treating yourself. Trust me, this sauce is a game changer, and I can't wait to show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's quickly go over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. For the Zinfandel reduction sauce, we'll be using Zinfandel. Any bold, fruity bottle will work, and I'll share some suggestions below. We'll need shallots and garlic for that aromatic base, fresh thyme and rosemary for an herby touch, beef or chicken stock to add depth, and a little butter to give it a silky finish. For the duck breast, we just need duck breast with the skin on, salt and pepper, and if you'd like, a little smoked paprika for extra flavor. And finally, for the mashed potatoes of course, butter, heavy cream, and some seasoning like salt and pepper, all of this to make it extra creamy and flavorful. All right, let's start with the star of the show, the Zinfandel reduction sauce. To start, heat a drizzle of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped shallots and garlic and saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're soft and fragrant. Next, pour in your Zinfandel wine. You'll want to use a wine that you'd actually enjoy drinking. It makes all the difference. Let this simmer and reduce by about half. This step concentrates the bold fruit flavors of the wine, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now add 1 cup of beef or chicken stock and add your rosemary and thyme. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently until the sauce thickens. This should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, we'll finish the sauce with a small knob of butter. Stir it up. Give it a taste, and if needed, adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt or a touch of sugar if the wine is too tannic. And there you have it, a rich, velvety Zinfandel reduction sauce. Now, let's move on to the duck. Start by scoring the skin in a crisscross pattern. This helps render the fat and crisp up the skin beautifully. Just be careful not to cut into the meat. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper, and if you like, a sprinkle of smoked paprika for a hint of smokiness. Place the duck breast, skin side down, in a cold, dry skillet. No oil needed, as the duck will render its own fat. Turn the heat to medium and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes for medium rare and 6 to 8 minutes for medium, until the skin is golden brown and crispy. Flip the duck breast and cook for at least another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. If you prefer it more well done, you can finish it in a 375-degree oven for another 5 minutes. Once done, let it rest another 5 minutes to keep it juicy. Now for the creamy mashed potatoes. Start by boiling your potatoes in salted water until they are fork tender. Then drain them and return them to the pot. Add the butter and cream and mash until silky smooth. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. You can also mix in roasted garlic or chives for an extra pop of flavor. It's time to plate everything up. Start with a generous scoop of creamy mashed potatoes as your base. Slice the duck breast into thin pieces and fan them out on top of the potatoes. Now for the best part. Pour a little bit of the Zinfandel reduction sauce over the duck and around the plate. Garnish with a sprig of rosemary or thyme if you prefer for a beautiful finishing touch. And doesn't that look stunning? All right, it's time for the best part. Let's taste. This looks absolutely delicious. Oh wow. The sauce is rich and fruity. The duck is perfectly crisp, yet tender. And the mashed potatoes tie everything together with their creamy goodness. This dish is pure comfort meets elegant. It's honestly a showstopper. If you're looking to impress someone or just treat yourself to an incredible meal, this recipe is the one. And the best part, it's not as difficult as it looks. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you give this Zinfandel reduction sauce with duck breast and mashed potatoes a try. If you do, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it turns out. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more wine-inspired recipes, and share this video with anyone who loves cooking with wine. Until next time, happy cooking and cheers.